This 2025 Winnebago Vista 29NP is a Class A RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, skylight, TV, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 71 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Vista 29NP is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.